Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's DJ Show One King Legend coming at you here with another unboxing video. Alright, here today I have a little car stereo setup. Alright, so if you want to add a little bit more bass to your car system or truck whatsoever, I got a little setup here for you that will be budget friendly. I mean, nothing I have here is over $200 per item. Everything is within 100 and some change or a little bit less. All right, so I'm gonna unbox these amplifier and two subwoofers. I also have a subwoofer box to hold the 212s, which I haven't received yet. I'm still waiting on the mailman. So as soon as I get here, I will add a little video footage of that or whatever the case may be. But right now I'm gonna get to the amplifier first. Alright, let's see what that looks like. Alright, so as I said, this is a budget-friendly setup. Nothing crazy. I know there's like thousands of different amplifiers out there that you can go with, but anyone who's been following me for a while, I only go with what I know really works. That is like, cost-friendly, on a budget, whatever the case may be. So I basically test out the cheap stuff so you guys don't have to second guess if you want to get it. All right, so the stuff I have here, I know they work, okay, because I've tested them. All right, so the amplifier that I'm going with, all right, and by the way, this is for the Chevy Tahoe project. All right, I did a couple of videos on that already. So all right, so this is what I'll be installing in the Tahoe. Alright, to play my 212s, give me a little bit more bass. I know, a lot of people, they really don't go with the additional subwoofer type system in the cars anymore, because cars nowadays have a nice system, and some people feel like the boombox thing is played out, but not really. I mean, some people just love their music, you know what I mean? And being a DJ, whatever the case may be, Soundsystem owner, I love my bass. Alright, so the factory can't give me the bass that I really want, so I have to do my own thing. Alright, and if you're a sound guy, I'm pretty sure your car has a little system also. Alright, so this is Power Acoustic. Nice and cheap amplifier. A lot of people don't know about this, but if you do, this little thing kicks. Alright, this thing works. Alright, so they have 2,500 watts on there. You know me, I'm not big on these crazy wattages or whatever the case may be, but this amplifier works. So even if I can say it's a good solid 500-600 watts, I'll say it's a good solid 500-600 watts, okay? Because I have one in my car, and this thing shakes the car apart, all right? Pretty much. All right, so let me show you what it looks like. All right. Get your little manual. All right. Hooked up. It's a very small amplifier. You won't believe what comes out of this little thing. Alright? That's how big it is right there. Okay? That's how big it is. Alright, so this amplifier goes down to 2 ohms, alright? So it's basically a 1-channel amplifier, okay? It's a mono block. Okay? And this is the RZ R1 2500D, okay? So I'll let you see that. Alright. Okay. And the nice thing about this, it has a little bass knob, okay? Control it. So you have a little gain knob here. You can turn it up without having to reach for the radio, whatever the case may be, or mess with the amplifier. You can turn your bass on and off as you feel like. It's like a volume knob for your bass. Alright, and here's the connector cable. It almost looks like a phone cord. Alright, so you just snap it in and connect it and screw this knob wherever you want in the car. It's pretty long wire here, so I'm pretty sure it's probably about over 15 feet probably. Alright, but if not, probably about 10 feet. I'm not going to unravel it right now. But it even comes with the 4 screws to mount this. Alright, so keep on moving here, push them through, let you see what I've got. Alright, and as I said, this stuff has been tried and tested. I've been playing it for about a year now in my car. So I decided to get the same exact one. And you won't believe the price on this thing, okay? It's about less than $100 on Amazon, alright? So this is like a little sound system secret for your car, right? A lot of people don't know about this. I mean, yeah, you can buy more expensive amplifiers, you know, but if you're not really doing competition or trying to, you know, crack your back windows or whatever the case may be, or shake the car apart, this right here, best bang for the buck, alright? I will co-sign for this amplifier, alright? I've been playing it for about a year in my car with no issues, alright? So the first one I had installed by a Soundsystem company, a car audio system. They hooked it up for me in my car, which is a little bit more technical in that vehicle. But in the Tahoe, I'll be hooking it up myself. I doubt it if I'm going to record that process, but I'm going to do it. Okay, so that's the amplifier. Now let me show you the speakers that I'm going with. So the speaker brand is a little bit more than the amplifier. It's a good brand. This is SKar, S-K-A-R audio, okay? So this is more of a car audio midway professional type grade company. Well, they do have professional stuff as well for competition, but this is more of a entry-level subwoofer. All right, so this will be two ohms. This will be two dual 2 ohm leads on there. Let's get this open. Nice little box. I think I'll pick this box up. This box is within a box, but no, that's not gonna work. Get your decal. Alright, I won't be putting that on the window. These are called Steal Me stickers. Alright. Here you go. Alright. SVR-12 D2. That's what I have. It also comes in a 4 ohm version, but I have the dual 2 ohm version, okay? Because like I said, that's a 2 ohm amplifier in one channel. So what I'll be doing is I'll be running the 2 ohms in series on one, and then I'll do it in parallel to connect both. Alright, so that will drop it down 2 ohms. Alright, so let me let you see what this monster looks like. Alright. Nice speaker. So, kind of went cheap on the amplifier. These are a little bit more than the amplifier. I mean, but I know that amplifier works very well and can hold its own, alright? So, like I said, I'm not trying to do any competition with this system. This is just to give me some more bass in the truck. So, here it is, right? There you go. Alright. I'll let you see the back of it. It's a nice weight. Not light. There's the back of it. Nice magnet, about the size of my hand. It's got a nice rubber bumper boot thingy on here. Alright, it has the 2 plugs on both sides. As I said, these are 2 ohms. 2 ohms. So I'll be connecting these in series. That'll be 4 ohms. Then I'll connect the other one to it, and that will be 2 ohms. Alright. The other one is the same speaker, so I'm not going to unbox it on the camera. I don't think that's necessary, it's the same item. But I'll probably just take it out anyway. Just to make sure. good. They have paper in this one and they have none of the other. Yeah. Nice foam also, like this. Might use those in the Alright, so here's the other one. Alright. It also has a little cover here, like almost a gasket type deal. It goes around the speaker. I think you can take it off. It comes off. But okay. Put that back on there. Alright, so it's a nice speaker. Like I said, these are great. These are good speakers here for under $200 a piece. Alright. So you're gonna pay 100 and some change for each speaker. I won't tell you exactly how much, but check on Amazon. Alright. And so we have here SRV. I have the -12 D2s. Alright, they do sell it in a D4 also, which is dual 4 ohms. Alright, so when I get the subwoofer enclosure, the box, I will record that, add it to the video, whatever the case may be. But I just wanted to go ahead and just do this first because this will take the longest. Alright, so this is DJ Show 1 King Legend, and I'll hit you with the rest of the video in a second, alright? Alright, so here's what you get with the SVR series subwoofer speakers. Alright, as I said, these are the SVR-12 D2. I'm just gonna let you check out the manual, see the wattage and stuff. Alright. Let's see, get an idea. Alright. I'll let you see the specs. So we are right here. RMS is the third row. So you're looking at 800 watts RMS. RMS peak power is at 1600 watts. Alright, so you go right there. SVR D. These are the D2s, and they also have D4s, which is 4 ohms. Alright, they're the same wattage. Alright, sensitivity is at 86.1 for the 2 ohm version and 86.5 for the 4 ohm version. Frequency range is 22 to 300 in both. The weight on these is about, here at 21.82. Alright, so about 21 pounds. Alright. There's a voice coil. Four layers. Okay, all the other good stuff. Alright. Some of you like to see all that stuff right there. basic as possible. Okay. Enclosure. Alright, so here we go. We got the Q power. Alright. This is the Q bomb series, V12. Alright, holes 212s. Nicely done in bed liner. This thing is nice. Alright, so I'm gonna get the speakers in here. Get everything straight. I'll get back to you.